Is nothing already too late to smart glasses, or do they know something others don't? Leaks suggest they're working on AI-powered glasses with a familiar setup: camera, mics, speakers, and strong phone integration. But by the time this launches around 2027, the market won't be empty. Meta is already established, Samsung is entering, and Chinese brands are pushing hard. So the real question isn't can nothing build it, it's what makes theirs different. That's exactly what we're breaking down today, because one key area could make this either stand out or disappear. Let's set the scene properly. When nothing enters this category in 2027, they won't be arriving as a pioneer. Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses have proven that mainstream consumers will actually wear AI glasses in public, which was never a guarantee. Samsung is bringing serious hardware credibility, and a wave of Chinese manufacturers is already pushing the price floor down while keeping the core feature set intact. So going head-to-head on specs or AI capability against any of these players doesn't make a lot of sense for nothing. They don't have Meta's ecosystem, Samsung's manufacturing scale, or the cost advantages of Chinese competitors. Trying to win that fight directly would be a tough road, which is exactly why the more interesting question isn't what the glasses do, it's how nothing plans to make people want them over everything else already on the market. Design is the obvious card for nothing to play, and for good reason. Their whole brand identity is built on making hardware look different in a way that actually makes people want to show it off. Transparent elements, glyph lighting, that unmistakable aesthetic. But with smart glasses, design gets genuinely complicated. Transparent frames aren't novel anymore. Glyph lighting is a nothing signature, but is a blinking light pattern enough to make someone choose your glasses over a competitor's when they're going to wear them on their face every single day? Because that's the bar. Smart glasses don't just have to look different, they have to look normal enough that people are comfortable wearing them out in public while still feeling distinct enough to be worth choosing. That balance is genuinely hard to nail. And right now, it's not clear what nothing is doing to solve it in a way nobody else has. Here's where nothing might actually have their clearest opportunity. If they play this the way they've played every other category, aggressive pricing, solid core experience, no unnecessary premium, they could come in noticeably cheaper than Meta while delivering a comparable everyday experience. And in a category like smart glasses, which is still figuring out what mainstream adoption even looks like, a lower price point could drive more real-world adoption than any spec advantage. Think of it like this. The category doesn't need a better product right now as much as it needs more people actually wearing one. If nothing can be that entry point, the pair you buy because you're curious and the price makes it an easy yes, that's a legitimate and smart position to occupy. It won't make headlines for raw capability, but it could quietly build the user base that matters long-term. So here's where things land. Nothing stepping into smart glasses makes sense for their brand, but it's far from a guaranteed win. This space is moving fast, and the competition is already strong. These glasses won't replace your phone, they'll add a layer on top, and that value depends on how seamless the experience actually feels, not just the specs. Right now, it feels like a smart entry, not category leadership. Whether it works will come down to positioning and pricing. So, do you think nothing has a real angle here, or are they arriving too late? Drop your thoughts below. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for full coverage.